Arborist Margate. Caboolture Tree Removals in Margate handles all tree-related services, including tree lopping, stump grinding, and stump removals. Call us at 07366788052 for a free quote. Our expert arborists regularly assess tree health to prevent issues like tree collapse. Think of us like your dentist for trees, ensuring they remain healthy with regular checkups. Contact us for any tree removal needs, including lopping and stump grinding. Dead trees and stumps in your yard can harm other plants by attracting pests and diseases. These pests can spread to other trees, disrupting your plans and requiring you to hire a tree removal company. Avoid this hassle by getting a free quote from Caboolture Tree Removal Margate. Our team of arborists will promptly provide the necessary tree removal services at your convenience. Get your free quote today. Caboolture Tree Removal Margate team of arborists will do the tree removal service immediately at your convenience.